Ever wondered how the magic behind Gemini happens, and more importantly, how much it costs? We live in a world where AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, from helping us write emails to generating images and even coding. Gemini, Google's latest and most advanced AI model, is at the forefront of this revolution. But powerful technology like this doesn't just appear out of thin air. It requires immense resources, complex infrastructure, and a team of brilliant minds working tirelessly behind the scenes. So, the question is, how does all of this translate into cost, and how does Google manage the expenses associated with running such a sophisticated AI? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the key factors that contribute to the cost of Gemini, explore the different aspects of its development and maintenance, and try to understand the economic realities of building and deploying cutting-edge AI. First, let's talk about the sheer scale of the operation. Gemini isn't a small, isolated project. It's a massive undertaking that involves vast amounts of data, incredibly powerful hardware, and a team of world-class engineers and researchers. Think about it. Gemini is trained on a massive dataset, encompassing text, code, images, audio, and video. This data needs to be collected, cleaned, processed, and stored, which in itself is a significant undertaking with associated costs. We're talking about petabytes, potentially exabytes, of data storage. Imagine the server farms needed just to hold all that information. The energy consumption alone is astronomical. Then there's the computing power. Training a model like Gemini requires a massive amount of computational resources. We're not talking about your average laptop here. We're talking about clusters of specialized hardware, including powerful GPUs and TPUs, running complex algorithms for weeks, even months, on end. These machines are expensive to purchase, maintain, and operate. And they consume a lot of electricity. Think of the cooling systems required to keep these powerful processors from overheating. The cost of electricity to run these massive computing clusters is a significant factor in the overall expense. Beyond the hardware and data, there's the human element. Developing and maintaining a model like Gemini requires a team of highly skilled individuals. We're talking about AI researchers, machine learning engineers, software developers, data scientists, and many other specialists. These professionals are in high demand and command competitive salaries. The cost of hiring and retaining this talent pool is a substantial investment for Google. Furthermore, the development process isn't a one-time thing. Gemini is constantly being updated and improved. Researchers are continuously working on refining the model, adding new features, and addressing any issues that arise. This ongoing research and development requires significant resources and contributes to the overall cost. It's not just about building the model once, it's about continuously improving and expanding its capabilities. Another crucial aspect is infrastructure. Gemini needs a robust and reliable infrastructure to operate. This includes servers, networking equipment, data centers, and all the associated software and tools. Maintaining this infrastructure, ensuring its security, and keeping it up to date also adds to the cost. Think about the complex network architecture required to handle the massive data flow and the constant interaction with users. This infrastructure needs to be constantly monitored and maintained to ensure smooth and reliable operation. Now, you might be wondering, how does Google recoup these massive costs? Well, there are several ways. One obvious approach is through the integration of Gemini into Google's various products and services. Think about Search, Bard, and other Google applications. By enhancing these services with Gemini's capabilities, Google can improve user experience, attract more users, and ultimately generate more revenue. For example, improved search results, more insightful answers from Bard, and better language translation can all contribute to increased user engagement and ad revenue. Another potential revenue stream is through API access. Google could offer developers access to Gemini's capabilities through APIs, allowing them to build their own applications and services powered by Gemini. This could create a whole ecosystem of Gemini-powered applications, generating revenue for Google through API usage fees. Imagine developers building specialized AI tools for various industries, from healthcare to finance, all powered by Gemini. Furthermore, partnerships with other companies could also be a source of revenue. Google could collaborate with other businesses to integrate Gemini into their products and services, creating mutually beneficial partnerships. For example, a partnership with a manufacturing company could lead to the development of AI-powered quality control systems, while a partnership with a healthcare provider could lead to the development of AI-powered diagnostic tools. It's important to remember that the cost of developing and maintaining AI models like Gemini is a significant investment. However, Google clearly believes that the potential benefits, both in terms of improving its existing products and services and creating new revenue streams, outweigh the costs. The long-term vision is likely to integrate Gemini into a wide range of applications, transforming the way we interact with technology and the world around us. The economics of AI are complex and evolving. As AI technology continues to advance, the costs associated with development and deployment are likely to change. However, one thing is certain: AI is here to stay, and companies like Google are willing to invest heavily in its future. The potential impact of AI on our lives is immense, and the race to develop the most powerful and capable AI models is just beginning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.